Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So yesterday we were talking in depth about this head and shoulders, and we basically bounced off it again. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm just going to put these two levels in. That's what it is. It's a range. We need to wait for the break, and that's just a valuable lesson in head and shoulders tops as well. Is you need to wait for the break and preferably the retest before actually committing to them, because often they actually turn into wedges as well. So at the moment, that's not turning into a wedge right now, but we definitely are easing off on the oscillators. Look at this on the daily, really starting to get into a position where possibly a move to the upside is brewing. So if we get down to the 3 hour, you'll see still pretty much in this range at the moment, above and below the moving averages. Oscillators grip the upside, so bias would be to the downside at the moment on the 3 hour, but I'm of the opinion that you might as well just flip a coin at the moment, and that is still the setup that we have. So yesterday we broke above the moving averages, okay, on the hour, and we've managed to hold above it and close above it. Futures market at the moment is, let's get there quickly. Futures market at the moment for the DAX is down 0.25%, so we are 15,222 right now. Nothing really to write home about. We're right here in the moving averages right now. So oscillators group to the upside is a bit of a concern, but until we start trending, I'm not even going to worry about that. It's pointless even watching the oscillators at the moment, because when you're sideways like this, they add absolutely no value to you. When you're trending and you've got your pullbacks, that's a different story. Okay, so for me in the DAX, look to the left, we're still stuck in amongst all these moving averages. We're in this range area. That to me is still very cautious. Don't get too stuck into this at the moment. Suppose you did have a little opportunity to buy off the gap here, more off the bottom, and basically into 50%, I think, of the range. Let me just get that quick. So, yeah, pretty close to 50%, but I think if I move it to there, it's just above 50%, so 61.8 of the range. Yeah, guys, it's not. This is not something that I really want to be chasing at the moment. So it is still sit on hands, unfortunately. We'll wait for structure. If we can stay above these moving averages today as well on the hour, then I may be inclined to start looking for some opportunities and breakouts to the upside. But we're going to have to clear this area here, and that's 15,357, before I even start looking at that. It's actually pointless trying to jump in on along here, because all you really got is this area here. So if you really were looking for it, probably bottom of the range is better, top of the range. Would I sell off the top? No. Okay, this market is trending up. When you look at the bigger time frames, pretty strong trend up. I have no interest in selling anything at the moment, but we do need to be realistic here if you're looking to trade the DAX, and probably find structure on lower time frames. But that kind of move, look at this, big up, big down, big up, and then sideways. That is just a sign of a confused market. Okay, anyway, I'm staying out of it. Not really interested yet. It's not gonna carry on forever. Okay, it's been like that for a month, but it's really not gonna stay like it's forever. So we just got to stay on our toes and keep our money in our pocket, which is probably the better way to trade this one. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.